kama hawakuwa informed. How are you making data usage more?
Angalia website, unaweza kuona
bila was. Na was iko na WAAS.
So today we are launching a data bundle, but it's not just your usual data bundle. It's a time-based bundle. And we've taken the feedback from customers. We've read the online sentiments, and people are saying that, some people are saying that their data depletes very fast. So because Safaricom is a shop, we keep adding things to the shop. We've added yet another thing to the shop. So we have various offers, different products for different customers. But sasa hii ni wale hawataki kuworry wakiwa online. That's why we are saying be live, browse bila was. So it's a time-based offer for the especially for youthful consumers, youthful customers. So we are going after the youthful Gen Zs, the millennials, etc. for people who want worry-free browsing online. Safaricom is not phasing off MBs ama GBs, but Ziko. Like I said, Safaricom is a shop. So there's something for everyone. For the ones who love Emerald, we will not touch them. For the ones who love S-Hook, there's S-Hook bundles. But this one is now a new time-based bundle called Be Live for people to choose. Yeah, there are people who are very disgruntled about wakiona hiyo pop-up your data bundle is below 2 MBs. Now we're telling you there's nothing like that. If you buy a bundle for, let's say, an hour or 3 hours or 6 hours, you enjoy all you want within your time frame without having to worry about MBs depleting.